Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to On the Glow, your guide to skincare, beauty, and wellness right here on She Connects TV. Living a holistic lifestyle consists of healthy lifestyle choices. From the diet that we consume, are we on a healthy day-to-day diet? What kind of products do we buy? Do we buy natural, green, non-toxic products for our skin and for our home care? Skincare products can only do so much. So it's not about those quick fixes. We all know those things don't work for us. So we need to look at it holistically as a whole. So understanding our body, understanding our lifestyle choices. Is the largest organ in our body, and it really absorbs a lot. The skin has three main layers. The epidermis, which is the outermost layer of skin, providing a waterproof barrier and creating our skin tone. The dermis, beneath the epidermis, contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The deeper subcutaneous tissue, hypodermis, is made of fat and connective tissue. Our skin will change constantly for better or for worse. It takes roughly 28 days for the skin to repair, and as we get older, it may take up to 40 days. So don't think by piling a whole bunch of moisturizer and serums on your face will help, defeat aging. It's very difficult because it goes deeper on a cellular level. So it's really about looking at the foods that we eat and the skincare products that we invest in and really help boost that natural collagen that we produce in the skin to give us that more natural, younger looking, fresh, supple skin. By the way, I did a series of collagen related videos last season, and I can link up those videos below. Skin without moisture is dry, dull, and wrinkled. Skin, like the rest of the body, is made up of over 70% water. Proper skincare is essential to maintaining the health and vitality of this protective organ. Lifestyle and environmental factors play a huge part in our overall health. Everything within balance is the way I want to live my life. So I hope what I shared for you today has been useful. I would love to hear your advice, and I'd love to hear your approach on holistic beauty. Thank you guys so much. And remember guys, keep glowing.